Instead of writing brand new reports, we can add columns to existing reports without touching the ERP system. In this example, we will turn the sales price by item report to a gross profit per item report and use database variables, formulas. We print the report from the ERP system. We choose Item Sales Data Report, then print it to the B2 WinSuite device. After B2 WinSuite is launched, we preview the report, and we see that it has the sales price, which we want, and suggested retail price, which is not needed. We do need the cost price, which does not exist here in this report. We also like to calculate the gross profit. In Settings, we create a database variable. We choose the name of the variable and the database server, and then write a small query, which brings the field that has the cost data. The query includes a parameter. Our parameter is the item. We then open B2 Design and remove unwanted field of the retail price, and then choose to add a new column. We use the database variable name we defined, and then pass the parameter, which is the item, so the query will bring the cost data for each item. Then we define a data type for the new column, and rename the field description to cost price. Now, we like to add another column, a formula. The gross profit is the sales price minus the cost price. We change the data type to number and rename the field name as gross profit. After we save our design and print the report, Excel will be launched with two new fields added, the cost price and the gross profit. Every time we print a similar report from the ERP system, we will get these new fields calculated. The feature of using database variables can be very handy. See how I can turn a simple report with just customer code and customer description into a report that shows sales in 2018, 2019, and 2020. I define three database variables. I add them inside B2 Design, and this is what I get. Are you ready to get maximum control over your ERP output? Contact us today.